Hello kids, welcome to my channel. My name is Zana. Today we are going to draw a rainbow and learn some colors name. First we draw the clouds. Now we learn some colors name. This is red color. Which color gives red color? R-E-D, red. This is orange color. Which color gives orange color? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah. Born on the bus goes beep.
This is yellow color. Which color gives yellow color? Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow.
Beep. All through the town.
This is parrot green color. Which color gives parrot green color? P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot, P-R-E-E-N, green. This is blue color. Which color gives blue color? B-L-U-E, blue. This is pink color. Which color gives pink color? P-I-N-K, pink.
Up and down, up and down, the people.
This is purple color. Which color gives purple color? P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Now we draw the eyes of the cloud.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels
Now
on
we
the bus
draw
go
the
round
eyes
and
of the
round,
second
all
cloud.
through the town. The wheels on the bus.
This is sky blue color. Which color gives sky blue color? S-K-Y, sky, B-L-U-E, blue. Sky blue color.
Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah. The wheels on the bus. Yeah. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The
Subscribe my channel and like my video. Bye kids.